Outstanding teacher, department chair, leader, and human being, Ms. Kimberly Freeland.
Up to the point where, you know, I remember when that was a field and that was a field, and you know, that's where I am in life. So just a lot of great memories, a lot of great kids, a lot of great people, a wonderful place.
Founders Day really talks about how our school is constantly developing. It's changing, and it's pretty cool to see that just about 30 years ago, our school was like this little building on the other side of the street, and now you can look around, and it got so much going on here, and it's insane.
I've been blessed with the opportunity to be part of something very special.
For gold that we prize and sunnier skies, away with our study, we'll go. Away with our study, we'll go.
Every year I look forward to the same thing. I look forward to hearing about the founding of our school and the story, because it's not every day that you find a school that was founded by such selfless people who were just willing to give absolutely everything that they had because they had a dream of how children should be raised and educated to create such a well-rounded individual and build a future.
One day when the teaching is done, he'll take his leave and go.